Good morning. The car paint, but it's not matching, so I'll take it again to make it match. So the old one's darker and the new one's lighter, so they will paint again. And they take the sticker, so I'll take the whole car. I can put it new one, it will not match, and then to put new one I need to take the whole thing and then put a new one, so it will be harder. So I'm putting the headlights, the grill, headlight, everything. So enjoy the video and like and subscribe. New horn. There's a safety clip on the back of the wire. Just put the fog light, the cover, the grill. Hardest to put it in. Aftermarket is that. I just finished everything, only just the hood, some missing parts. Goes in, all the headlights work, the fog light works. Only the envelope left. I'll take the old one and put it over here. So we're here finished too. So they painted again. They matched the whole thing. The car matched. Only the envelope left. I'm going to put it. Here it is. It's not new. I just made it. Did it. So after this, all the inspection. Then that's it. This car's almost done. And now I'll put this one. Put the envelope. It's nice. It's not that much bad. It's better to buy a new one. I can save money. So I'll test the car by tester if there's some issue or not. So I just got both of them painted. You saw it on that one on my YouTube. My first post that one. Now I'm going to post this one. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. If you like what kind of video, you can tell me, and then maybe I'll do a video. What kind of cars or what kind of project you want, I'll do. Thank you for watching. Bye.